Microbiology images.
Identify the organism.
These are acute angled dichotomatous branching, antler horn appearance or V form, which is Aspergillus.
Identify the organism.
Barrel shaped Arthroconidia, Coccidioides.
Identify the egg.
Barrel shaped egg, Trichuris.
Identify the organism.
Broad base budding yeast, Blastomyces.
Identify the organism.
Cross matchstick appearance, Candida krusei.
Identify the organism.
Aseptate branching at right angle, ribbon like, irregular. This is mucor.
Identify the organism.
Asteroid bodies, cigar shaped yeast, Sporothrix schenckii.
Identify the organism.
Thorn prick like lesions, Sporothrix schenckii.
Identify the organism.
Maltese cross appearance on microscopy, Babesia.
Identify the organism.
Multiple budding yeast, Mickey Mouse appearance or mariner wheel yeast, Paracoccidioidomyces.
Identify the organism.
Negative staining, Cryptococcus.
Identify the organism.
Pseudohyphae, Candida.
Identify the organism.
Sclerotic or medullary bodies, copper coin appearance is seen. This is chromoblastomycosis caused by Fonsesia pedrosoi.
Identify the organism.
Spores with tubercle-like projections, histoplasma.
Identify the organism.
Broomstick, paintbrush appearance, septate yeast, Penicillium marneffi.
Identify the lesion.
Erythema infectiosum caused by parvovirus.
Identify the lesion.
Sixth disease or Exanthema subitum or Roseola infantum caused by human herpes virus 6 or human B cell lymphotropic virus.
Identify the lesion.
Infectious mononucleosis caused by Epstein-Barr virus or human herpes virus 4. The receptor is CD21 present on B cell lymphocytes.
Identify the organism.
This is hepatitis B virus, a DNA virus.
Identify the organism.
Human immunodeficiency virus, this is a RNA virus.
Identify the organism.
Influenza virus.
Identify the organism.
Zika virus, RNA virus.
Identify the organism.
Nipah virus.
Identify the organism.
Ebola virus.
Identify the organism.
This is bullet shaped rabies virus.
Identify the organism.
Coronavirus.
Identify the organism.
This is pencil shaped Macroconidia seen in Trichophyton.
Identify the organism.
Spindle shaped Macroconidia are seen in microsporum.
Identify the organism.
Clavate or club-shaped macrogonidia are seen in epidermophyton.
Identify the lesion.
This is favus, chronic scalp infection, dense crusts or scutula in hair follicles are seen.
Identify the lesion.
This is carrion, boggy lesion on scalp is seen.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea barbae, the fungal infection on beard.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea unguium, fungal infection of nail plate.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea cruris or dhobi itch, fungal infection on groin or perineum.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea corporis or glabrosa, fungal infection of non-hairy skin.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea imbricata, concentric papillosquamous scaly patch is seen, fungal infection.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea pedis or athlete foot, fungal infection of the foot.
Identify the organism.
This is ectothrix or arthrospore surrounds the hair, caused by Microspora ordioni, Microspora canis or Trichophyton mentagrophyta.
Identify the organism.
This is endothrix, in which arthrospore is present inside the hair shaft, caused by Trichophyton sonsurans, Trichophyton violaceum and Trichophyton schonleni.
Identify the lesion.
This is mycotic mycetoma.
Identify the lesion.
This is chromoblastomycosis.
Identify the lesion.
This is rhinosporioidosis, caused by Rhinosporidium seaberry.
Identify the lesion.
This is subcutaneous phycomycosis.
Identify the phenomenon.
This is Splendor Hoepli phenomenon. In tissues, fungi are surrounded by refractile eosinophilic halo, which is due to immune complex deposition around the organisms.
Identify the lesion.
This is white piedra, caused by Trichosporum, soft yellow nodules on head.
Identify the lesion.
This is black piedra, Piedra horte, dark hard nodules on hair, ascospore.
Identify the eggs.
These are Ascaris eggs.
Identify the egg.
Hymenalepsis nana egg.
Identify the egg.
Ankylostoma egg.
Identify the egg.
Trematode egg.
Identify the lesion.
This is Tinea egg.
Identify the lesion.
This is cutaneous larva migrans, creeping eruption, ground itch, sandworm infestation caused by Ankylostoma brasiliense, Ankylostoma carinum or Gnathostoma gastrophilus.
Identify the lesion.
This is larva currents caused by strongyloids.
Identify the lesion.
This is visceral larva migrans caused by Toxocara canis or Toxocara catis.
Identify the organism.
This is Wuchereria bancrofti. We can see that there are well defined nuclei, but there is no nucleus in tip of tail.
Identify the organism.
This is Brugia malai, in which we can see that nuclei in body appear crowded and tail appears around two nuclei that appear to be connected by a fine thread.
Identify the organism.
This is loa loa, in which nuclei extend to tip of tail.
Identify the organism.
This is Entamoeba histolytica.
Identify the organism.
This is Ascaris lumbricoides or roundworm.
Identify the organism.
This is Ankylostoma duodenale or hookworm.
Identify the organism.
This is Taenia saginata with 4 suckers, which is smooth, no rostellum. Taenia solum has 4 suckers. There is rostellum hooks.
Identify the organism.
This is Plasmodium vivax.
Identify the organism.
This is Plasmodium falciparum. We can say the banana-shaped gametophytes.
Identify the organism.
This is Plasmodium malariae.
Identify the organism.
This is Plasmodium ovale.
Identify the organism.
Plasmodium vivax.
Identify the organism.
Plasmodium falciparum.
Identify the life cycle.
This is life cycle of Plasmodium.
Identify the life cycle.
This is life cycle of Japanese encephalitis.
Identify the mouse.
This is nude mouse in which there is chromosomal 11 defect.
Identify the mouse.
This is a suckling mouse used for Coxsackie virus.
Identify the bird.
This is waterfowl which transmits bird flu.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.